Hey guys, welcome back. In this channel, we make programming easy, and today we will talk about data types in Java. What are data types in Java? Data types tell the computer what it is dealing with. For example, numbers, characters, or true or false values. This ensures that the program runs correctly and efficiently. In Java, there are two types of data types: primitive and reference. Primitive data types are faster and take up less space. However, they have limited functionalities and a limited space. Reference data types are slower and take up more space, but they have way more functionalities, so we can do more things with it and don't have a limited space. There are many data types in Java, but for today's video, we will learn the four main data types to code in Java. The first data type is string. It is a reference data type. It is basically a piece of text. We used it to write texts. To write a string, write a piece of text within a pair of quotation marks. And done. We have a string. We can assign our string to a variable and do whatever we want with it. Just make sure to declare the data type of the variable according to the data type of the value. The next data type is int, short for integer. This is a primitive data type and is a whole number. We used it to store a whole number. The one right after is double. It is also a primitive data type, but is used to store decimal numbers. Any number with a decimal. Integer and double are similar because they both can be used to do math. The only difference is that an integer is a whole number, while a double is a decimal number. The last data type we have is the Boolean data type. This is a primitive data type and holds either a true or false value. We can use Booleans in if statements, loops, and for other things. We will learn about them in upcoming videos, God willing. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe to help the channel. Thanks for watching.